Hello everyone, I am Satvika. I am studying in SRIT Engineering College. I am from CSM department, first year BTech, Computer Science and Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today I am gonna give you a video presentation on fullerenes and carbon nanotubes. Let's see what the fullerenes and carbon nanotubes are. Here today we can learn about introduction of the carbon nanotubes and fullerenes and applications properties of carbon nanotubes and fullerenes. Finally we'll end with conclusion. Let's start with a brief introduction of fullerenes and carbon nanotubes. Introduction. Fullerenes and carbon nanotubes are important nanomaterials in modern science. Fullerenes are spherical, ellipsoidal carbon structures like C60. Here you can see the picture of fullerenes, which is also called as Buckminster fullerene, and the above picture is CNT carbon nanotubes, which are cylindrical tubes made of rolled graphene sheets, and they both exhibit unique electrical, mechanical and chemical properties. Let's see what the fullerenes are. Fullerenes are a class of carbon allotropes with a cage-like structure which resembles hollow spheres, ellipsoids, or tubes like carbon nanotubes. The most famous example is Buckminster fullerene, which has a soccer ball-like structure made of 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons. Let's see the properties of fullerenes. The first one is very important and simple. The cage-like carbon structure with high symmetry and good electron acceptors which have high electron affinity, excellent conductivity in doped form, high tensile strength and stability, soluble in organic solvents like toluene actually, exhibit photoluminescence and superconductivity when doped. Let's see the applications of fullerenes, and these applications starts with drug delivery systems, which is also known as encapsulation, photodynamic therapy in medicine, organic photovoltaics and solar cells, lubricants and catalyst supports, antioxidants and free radical scavengers, materials for superconductors. And let's see what the carbon nanotubes are. Carbon nanotubes are one-dimensional hollow cylinders made of carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice. They are similar to rolled up graphene sheets. And there are some properties of carbon nanotubes. The first one is very high tensile strength, stronger than steel, and excellent thermal conductivity and high electrical conductivity, metallic or semiconducting, more hardness, and it has large aspect ratio and low density, chemically stable and resistant to corrosion. Applications of carbon nanotubes. Let's see what the applications of carbon nanotubes are. The first one, nanoelectronics like transistors, sensors, conductive coatings and electrodes, field emission displays, biomedical imaging and targeted drug delivery, reinforcement in composite materials, hydrogen storage systems. And this is the additional information is giving in this session, and that is this book which is shown on the screen is written by Robert F. Werner, Carlos Benvengu, and this book has a lot of information about properties, synthesis and applications of fullerene. The book is named by the Robert F. Werner as Handbook on Fullerenes. Here we can see the number of applications of fullerenes. And finally, coming to conclusion, Fullerenes and carbon nanotubes are versatile nanomaterials with exceptional properties. Their applications span electronics, medicine, materials, and energy. They continue to drive advancements in nanotechnology. Thank you.